Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to assign and manage tasks in Gmail using Google Chat. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open Gmail in your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your main Gmail dashboard, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see your various spaces listed. Spaces in Google Chat are essentially shared workspaces where teams can collaborate, and they're integrated directly into Gmail for seamless communication and task management. Click on any space where you want to assign and manage tasks. This could be a team project space, a department workspace, or any collaborative area you've set up. Choosing the right space is important because tasks will be visible to all members of that space, keeping everyone aligned on what needs to be done. Once you've opened your chosen space, look at the top of the screen for the task icon. It looks like a circle with a check mark inside it. This icon represents the task management feature within Google Chat, and clicking it will open up all the task-related options for that particular space. Now, to create a new task, click on Add Task to Space. This will open a new window where you can input all the relevant details for your task. Enter a title that clearly describes what needs to be accomplished, and then add any additional details in the description field. These details might include deadlines, specific requirements, or any context that team members need to understand the task fully. Once you've filled everything out, click Save to create the task. After creating tasks, you'll want to keep them organized. Click the three dots menu to access sorting options for all your tasks. This helps you arrange them by priority, due date, or any other criteria that makes sense for your workflow, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. If you need to remove a task that's no longer relevant or was created by mistake, simply click the trash can icon next to the task. This will permanently delete it from the space. You can also click the chat icon next to any task to view it directly in the chat interface, which is useful when you want to discuss the task with team members or see related conversations. Now here's where task assignment comes in. To assign a task to a specific team member, simply click on the task you want to assign, then click the Assign button that appears. A list of people in that space will pop up showing all available team members. Choose the person you want to assign the task to by clicking on their name. This immediately notifies them about the new task and adds it to their personal task list, creating clear accountability. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to assign and manage tasks in Gmail using Google Chat, making team collaboration more efficient and organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.